Your safety is first at Marival Resorts. For this reason, we have reinforced our cleaning and sanitation protocols to ensure peaceful travel. These actions are endorsed by local authorities and are supported by international health organizations. We want to share with you some of the strategies implemented in our resorts. Our staff members are very important, and they play a crucial role in your experience with us. Therefore, we carry out a rigorous cleaning and disinfection process in the units that transport them. Before entering the resorts, all of our staff go through a strict review process, which includes taking their temperature, full disinfection, and shoe cleaning. All materials, supplies, and work utensils are disinfected before, during, and after use, meeting the highest standards of cleanliness and quality. All of our staff have the protective equipment that complies with the guidelines established by the World Health Organization. All common areas within the resort are regularly sanitized. All our golf carts and shuttles that transport guests between our properties are disinfected after use. Upon arrival, we will kindly ask you to take your temperature and follow some protocols to guarantee everyone's safety. Don't worry about anything. We will take care of everything, including luggage disinfection. Inside the resort, you will find signage indicating the protocols to follow. During your check-in process, we will take all precautions to make sure you start your vacation the best way. We know that your room is the heart of your vacation. That's why we have created a unique sanitation protocol. It includes total disinfection before your check-in, surface cleaning. All telephones, remote controls, knobs, handles, windows, and railings are sanitized with specialized products. The rooms are completely disinfected by an ozone process, a process endorsed by the authorities as one of the safest. Disinfection stations are available throughout the resort. All of our common areas were redistributed to maintain social distancing and are disinfected every time a guest uses them. You will have everything you need to have a safely unforgettable vacation. Feel ease when ordering your favorite drink, as well as visiting our bars and restaurants. Everything is ready to safely enjoy your vacation at the beach, whether you travel with family, as a couple, or with friends. Feel totally safe when staying at Marival Resorts.